I'm Javier from iSpace Solutions. If I didn't grow, I was going to burn out. I'm a technical person, I'm a joiner first, I'm a cabinet maker, I like all that stuff. I'm that first and foremost. Businessman comes second and down the row. I found myself in a situation where I knew I needed to grow, so it was a personal choice. In the process of looking for a business coach, and for me, I think when you're looking at business coaches or anybody of that caliber, I don't want to be coached by a teenager that's just come out of university and literally is reading out of his hymn book. I want somebody that is proven and somebody that's in the industry and that is going to understand my challenges. So take the money off the table. It was about where am I going to get my best results? We're able to pay the rent on time, pay our staff well, everybody gets paid really well, nobody has to do overtime, and everybody's happy working. I do love the fact that the team is engaged. I feel that the more that they do, the better it is. That's amazing. The next big hire that I think made a really big difference for me was having an office manager. Admin tasks. I had no idea how much time that was taking off me being productive and physically stopping the company from growing and earning money because I was writing a quote or answering emails or getting contracts signed and then moving the factory. I think we talked about moving the factory in one of our first meetings. I wish I did it back then. So I definitely recommend people to get help, get some coaching. I find when it comes to money and coaching and money by speed, you can keep on that grind, the grind that you've been doing for 25 years like I did, would have continued going for another 25 years till I couldn't walk anymore. But this way, okay, I've invested a little bit of money, but in 5 years, I'm at a position where I'm running the business. And yes, I'm probably not on the tools as much as I would like, but I'm still engaged in the geeking out on the details. And that for me is amazing. I'm really proud.